Not all components you require exist in the factory asset library. Functionality also exists that allows you to insert your own components. This is done using the Insert Model command on the Factory tab. Once I've selected the Insert Model command, I simply navigate to the file I'd like to add to the layout. There are a variety of file types that can be selected, as you can see here. When the component is placed into the layout, a heads-up dialog will allow you to define which plane of the bounding box should sit on the factory floor. Additional models can be added as necessary to complete the 3D layout of your factory floor. It will be necessary to modify some of the default parameters supplied with factory assets. In this example, we need to create an access walkway to service the large machine. We'll start by adding a catwalk asset and 2 stair assets from the structural folder. These assets are currently too short for the desired design. We'll use the Factory Properties browser to adjust the height and length of the catwalk. You click the Update command to incorporate the changes into the design. Notice that the heights of the stairs are automatically adjusted. Now we need to reorient and place the platform alongside the machine. The Align, Reposition, and Assemble tools, located on the Layout Tools panel, are all great tools for relocating and orienting components that have already been placed in the layout. The Reposition command helps you accurately position components using the triad. The triad enables you to select an axis or plane for you to move the component in a translational or rotational manner. In this situation, I've selected the tip of the triad's z-axis. You can drag the component to rotate it about the z-axis or type in a rotation value in the heads-up display. Once the asset is in the required position, right-click and select Done. To finish this portion of the design, we simply drag the catwalk into the required position. The stairs connected to the catwalk will move as well. It is often necessary to align factory assets. In this example, we need to align the forklift and the cage with the roller conveyor. The Align command makes this very easy. Simply select the assets that need to be reoriented, and then select the reference component. The dialog offers many different alignment and distribution options. After the assets are aligned, they can easily be lined up using the Reposition command. It will also be necessary to place assets on top of one another, or manually assemble components together. The Assemble command allows users to select asset faces or edges and determine how the faces or edges should line up together. We need to place this tote on top of the conveyor. With the Assemble command, I can select the bottom face of the tote and then the top face of the conveyor. Once the 3D layout is complete, drawing generation is easily accomplished. Autodesk Inventor allows designers to create orthographic and section views that are associative to the 3D layout. When changes occur in the 3D layout, the corresponding drawing views will update automatically. The advantages of 3D layout designs are apparent in the drawing environment. Isometric views, along with an automatic bill of materials, brings the benefit of 3D prototyping to your 2D drawings. In this video, we've demonstrated how to place factory assets from the Asset Browser onto the factory floor, showing how easy it can be to develop your 3D factory layout from existing 2D designs. We also saw how easy parametric adjustments can be made to factory assets and how assets can be manipulated into any position desired. Autodesk Factory Design Suite makes it easy for any user to easily reference a 2D layout drawing and build compelling 3D visual layouts using simple drag and drop techniques.